Hello, it's Friday the 14th of December and this is my latest EuroMillions video. Now these are the numbers that came out in the last draw 1171, and nobody won it, so now tonight's draw is 76 million jackpot. Now these are the numbers that I'm putting on, so they're the numbers that I'm putting on, and if those numbers come out, these are all the coincidences that will occur as a result of these numbers coming out. So lots of coincidences from these numbers, right? So let's just do an analysis of the latest draw, which was draw 1170, because I haven't updated this to include draw 1171 yet, but I can show you the analysis for draw 1171 anyway. I'll just quickly show you the analysis for draw 1170 if I've not already done that. I think I might have done that in my last video actually, but anyway, there's the analysis for draw 1170. In fact, I have done that one. So anyway, the next one is, come on, wake up computer. Right, I'll just get rid of that. And I'll just key the numbers in. So the winning numbers for 1171 were these numbers: machine 3, ball set 5, yeah, same one again. So I've got 4, 7, 13, 23, 42, 1 and 9. Right. So those are the winning numbers. Coincidence filter is on, and these are all the coincidences. So 13 was most overdue with machine 3, so that's probably why that one came out. And we got star number 3 most overdue for its frequency with that machine and set of balls, so that's probably why that come out. And you can see how that points to star number 1. And so star numbers 1 and 3 point to each other, star number 13 points to both the star numbers. And then all these other numbers come out as well, but there were nothing pointing to them, except maybe 4 and 23 pointing to each other as most frequent. So quite an unpredictable result. These were all the other outstanding numbers, the ones that didn't come out. But anyway, so that's the analysis. And yeah, so to give you time to watch this video and still buy a ticket, I'm going to cut this video short now, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So the chart looks like this now. This is the main numbers, full draw history, and then the star numbers look like that. So you can see star number 4 stands out. If if you go back to the beginning of this video, you'll see the numbers that I were picking, and so you can see the reasons why I'm picking those numbers. If you want to pick the same ones, that's up to you, but I'm going to conclude this video now. Good luck in tonight's draw, and the next video might be a bit longer because I'll probably have more time. I'm just a bit short of time today, so it's a short video. So bye for now, and good luck with that. So bye.